How to create relaxing music videos. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own relaxing videos. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on YouTube. As you can see over here, I've searched for ambient music videos, and over here as you can see we have a couple of different types of videos, and over here as you can see we have a lot of views on these videos. So we have 25 million on this one, 38 million on this one, 11 on this one, 29 on this one, and they're very easy to create, and I'm going to show you how you can do that, so that if you want to create these types of videos, you can do it and upload them onto YouTube, and they're very easy to create. For this, you're going to need a couple of different things. So you're going to need an access to a website that provides you some stock footage or stuff like that, and some royalty free music as well. Now luckily for you, I have a couple of different websites that I can show you. So we have this website called Epidemic Sounds. Now this is a website that provides you royalty-free music, and you can use it to download any type of sound or music or sound effects you want, depending upon what type of video you are trying to create. And no, it is not completely free, although they do offer you a 30-day trial that you can easily sign up with. But if you don't want to use that and you want something completely free, then what you can use is YouTube library, audio library. This is also completely free, and it's powered by YouTube, so you won't have any problems. Wait, so my Google account does not have access. Let me just go ahead and switch to another account. Okay, so this is the YouTube audio library over here. As you can see, let me just, yeah, here we go. Now that it's loaded up, this is how it looks like. So over here you can also find royalty-free music that you can use over onto your videos, and since they are powered by YouTube, you don't have to worry about any copyright strikes or whatsoever. So we can go ahead and use this one as well if you want to. But if not, even if you think that Epidemic is better, then you can use both of these as well. It doesn't matter, you can choose whichever one you want. But for me, I'm gonna choose Epidemic Sounds for this one, and after that we're gonna move over to this website, which is called pexels.com, and over here we can find various types of footages of videos and photos that we can use to create our very own video. So if I come back over here onto YouTube, if I play this type of video over here, it's basically like different types of videos combined. So we have like a drone footage of a waterfall, something that fits the mood, something scenic. So we have like this scenery over here, which is very beautiful, which is very subtle, and if we add a nice background music to it, it works very, very well. We have other footages over here. We have different footages, different videos that we can add. So we have all these options in front of us. Now creating these is very easy, since we already have access to this free website which delivers us these types of videos. So let me just go ahead and search for cloud. I think cloud videos would look really nice. As you can see over here, this video is pretty amazing, right? As you can see over here, so these are photos. Let me just switch to videos. So over here, as you can see, these videos are pretty amazing. We can use whichever one we want. So let's set our orientation to horizontal so that we don't get any vertical videos. So videos like this one, as you can see, it's pretty relaxing, it's really nice. Something like this one as well. And we also have this video over here, this one over here. So we're going to download a couple of these videos, and I'm going to show you how you can make it. So let me just go ahead and download this video and this video over here, and we also want this one, and let's just download this one as well. Why not? And one more, let's go ahead and download this one. And once we have, now while they're downloading, let's go ahead and check out some different musics over here over on Epidemic. So if I go over to, so over here we have our genres, we have our moods. So in genres, what we want is something ambient, right? Something really nice. So we also have moods. Let's go ahead and search for ambient. So we have all these different types of music categories that we can use. So let's go ahead and choose this one. Let me just hear a few of them, and so I don't really like that. Let me just go ahead and search for in moods or in genres. Let's go ahead and click ambient in genres. Over here we have all these different ones as well. So let me just go ahead and listen to these. Ambient cloud. Okay, so I really like this one. Let me just show you. Let's take a listen to this one. I think it's pretty nice. It starts really subtle, and yeah, I really like this one. It'll fit right into the tone of our video that we're trying to create. I think this would be very, very nice. Yeah, I really like this one. So let's go ahead and download this one as well. Okay, so now all of our footage and our song has been downloaded. Let's go ahead and open up Premiere, Adobe Premiere, and let's go ahead and use this software to create this video. Now, you don't have to worry about that. You can create any other software. You can create this type of video with any other software you want. You can use DaVinci or Quora or whatever you feel like most comfortable with, because not a lot of editing is involved with this one. So it all depends upon you and the type of video you're creating. It's very beginner friendly. You don't have to use any editing or fancy editing software or anything like that. I use Premiere because it's mainly, I use it for work and related stuff, so that's why I have it. So let's go ahead and start importing our footages. So this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So, and this one as well. This, since that's our music, let's go ahead and drag them over here into our media bin. Now let's and drop. Let's go ahead and drop it into our timeline over here. Let's go ahead and remove this audio, and let's go ahead and start, putting it over here. Let's go ahead and take a look. And that's basically it. All to do is just join these footages together, and there's nothing really fancy into it, So I think it looks pretty good. Let me just go ahead and export this real quick so that you guys can get a better understanding of it. Mark that out and export it. Okay, so before I do that, would like to add a couple of different effects, such as dip to black. I think that would look pretty good over here in these clips. Okay, let's go ahead and add this and this over here. There we go. We'll add this one at the end, and there we go. Maybe in the beginning as well. There we go. So now let me just go ahead and export this, and I'll show you guys how it looks like at the end. Okay, so the video has been exported. Let's go ahead and take a look. So let's just take a look over here. So as you can see, it fits pretty well into the narrative, and it's very simple to make these types of videos. As you can see, I only made it for like a minute or two, and that's basically it. And what you can do is you can download all these types of musics and all these different types of videos from this website, and then you can make like an hour-long video, and or however long you want to, and then just simply upload it, and there you go. After that, you can just go ahead and add like a nice description, or create a nice thumbnail like this type. It's very easy to create these types of thumbnails as well. So let me just show you. We just simply go over to canva.com over here, and we just search for thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail over here, as you can see, and then we just click on create blank, or we can just find one of these in the templates, something that fits into our narrative. I don't think anything will fit, so we'll just go over here and design one ourselves. We'll go over here into the image section over here, like in the background, and we'll have like clouds, something that's very nice, like this one over here. And what we can do next is, what did this person do? It had like this box, right? We'll just go over here and we'll just create that box over here. Just do that again. Just go over here and we just turn it or we feel like it, and then we do it, and then we align it over here or you want to take another line and shorten it out. Then we go over here and we put it over here into something like that. Move it over here, close this up, close this up. What we can do next is we can select all of them and change it to white over here, as you can see. Then we can group them all together and put it over here in the center. And then we can add a text, something like deep focus, and then we can change it to make it a little bit bolder, and then change the color of the text to white. There we go. We can even like, increase the size, and there we go. Then we just have to download it, and there we go, we have our thumbnail. And then we can just upload all of this over onto YouTube, and there we go. That's how you basically create, these types of videos, these ambient type of music videos that you would love to upload onto your YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.